Hey, I was just thinking about you. I was gonna text you and see when you were coming home. You okay? You sure? What happened? Come here, talk to me. What happened, my love? Was it just a really long day? Yeah. Stressful. Yeah. I'm so sorry. You poor thing. I'm so sorry, my love. What can I do to make it better? Should we have a cozy night tonight? Well, I can comfort you. We can cuddle. I'll give you plenty of kisses. We can watch your favorite shows. Here, come sit with me. I missed you. I missed you so much. You're my favorite person in the whole world, you know that? You are. I don't know what to do without you. It's the best part of my day, seeing you and your cute face. Every time I think it's not possible to love you anymore, I do. Or you figure out a way to make me. Look, I know it was a bad day, and it's stressful, and you don't deserve that. I mean, you're a literal angel, you deserve good days only. But it's just one day. Tomorrow's gonna be so much better, I promise. And even if it's not, I'm gonna be right here, and we're gonna get through it together, okay? Everything you go through, I go through too. And I want to be there for you. It's temporary. Any anxiety and stress you're feeling is gonna melt away. And you're gonna get through it. I know you will. Because you're so strong and smart and resilient. And you can do anything. I know you can. Anything that you put your mind to, you can do. And you just can't let we can't let like bad days or like negative people get to us. Okay? I'm here. I'm your number one supporter. And I'm always gonna be here for you, okay? I promise. I'm not going anywhere. Now, what do you say we make some cozy drinks and cuddle by the fireplace? And I'll put your comfort show on. Yeah? Would that make you feel better? Okay, good. I'll do whatever it takes. Okay, I can make us hot chocolate, or like hot chai lattes, or tea. What sounds good to you? Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. Sounds good. Okay, well, why don't you go get cozy on the couch? I'll tuck you in, and I'll put on your comfort show, and then I'm gonna go make our drinks, okay? Okay. My sweet little snug bug. My little bug in a rug. My little fluffy pancake. I love that one lately. I have to give you sweet names. Literally sweet names. My sweet little butter croissant. My little puff pastry. Just let me have my fun, please. Come here, I have to squish your face. Give you kisses. Come here. More? They're healing, right? Okay, maybe 100 more? No, you're probably right. Yeah. You're like 3/4 of the way healed. 100 more should do it. No, you're so right. I agree. More on the nose. No, of course. I kiss the nose hot dog style. I kiss the nose vertical. You know? Sideways. All the way down. From the bridge to the tip. Oh, and you're so right. You're so right. I forgot about the forehead. Not enough on the forehead. You're so yummy. You're so sweet. What did you eat? You taste like sugar. So sweet, so delicious. Thank you. So do give me a little snack from me. Licking my fingers. Okay, I love you. You're so cute. Let me tuck you in. Come on. Let me tuck you in. I'm gonna get the pillow. No. I'm gonna get your pillow and the weighted blanket from the room. Hold on 1 second. Okay, there's your pillow. Your blankie. Okay, come here, let me tuck you in. Come on, give me your hands, Let me roll you over so I can tuck you in. Turn you into a burrito. Burrito style, baby. Little burrito style, baby. Oh my god, you're adorable. Okay, come here. Come here, let me wrap this around you. All the way up your shoulders, under your chin, around your neck. Okay, how do you feel? Good? Burrito style? Like a sweet little egg roll? Okay, perfect. Good. Okay. I'm gonna turn your show on. Then I'm gonna make our drinks. Okay? Okay, I love you. My sweet angel. You don't mind when I baby you, do you? It's too fun. You're just my baby. My sweet little thing. Aren't you? Say it. Say it. Yes, good. You are. Okay, I'll stop bugging you. I'll be back though. Okay, bye. Okay, here's our drinks. And your show's on. the fireplace is on. You're tucked in, cozy. Now I just have to snuggle up next to you. And that is the cure for a bad day. How are you feeling? Good. I'm happy to hear that. A little better. Good. It's my job. Best job in the world. Okay. Let me get in here next to you. They're so warm. So cozy. It feels so good. Missed you. I feel like I'm gonna fall asleep really fast though, I'm sorry. Do you mind? Okay, I can't help it. You're my safe space. You're like a drug. As soon as I lay on you, I'm like, okay, I'm safe, I can pass out now. Come here.